Hello, Super Paco again. Here we are in a short video about the vocabulary of this week. So pay attention here because I'm going to show you your 5 new words of this week. Look, first word of the day. Second, disposable. You see this Starbucks cup, that's a cup, plastic and paper, or maybe all plastic. I think this is paper. And this is plastic, obviously. So someone drank coffee and drop it, or threw it to throw, lanzar, to throw in the rubbish bin, basura. This is a disposable, okay? This is a disposable container. Disposal, we write it here. Disposable is desechable, de un uso, okay? Disposable. That's a disposable cup, plastic cup, okay? Let's go with the next one. Look, here we have, second, this is ink, okay? What we have here is, second, here, is ink. Ink is tinta, okay? I'm going to make some contrast. Perfect. Ink. This is ink. Let's see if I can make it bigger. That's okay. Ink. Okay, ink. This is ink. Tinta. Let's go with the next one. Labels. Labels. I'm going to write it here. These are, sorry, labels. Okay, labels are etiquetas. A label is etiqueta, or yeah, it can be etiqueta. Look, there's two words for etiqueta. Label, which is this kind of etiqueta that maybe you put on a bottle of extra virgin olive oil, showing where is from, enseñando de dónde es, showing where is from. And tag. Tag is etiqueta from a piece of cloth. Imagine, let's see, example. This is a tag. You see my t-shirt? This is a tag. This is not a label. Label is etiqueta. For example, if sometimes you drank whiskey, red label, etiqueta roja, black label, etiqueta negra, blue label, etiqueta azul. This is Johnny Walker whiskey. Okay, so label, etiqueta. Layers. Let's write it here. Layers. Layers are capas. Layers are capas. So different layers are the layers, for example, of a Tetra Brick. Okay, Tetra Brick, for example, has different layers. Okay, so layers are this, different layers, capas. And I think we still have one, right? Let's take this. This is melt. To melt. This is a verb. Okay, to melt. Or the ice is melting. We say that something is melting, we say it like this, is melting, or to melt, derretir. Okay, to melt, derretir, the ice is melting. The polar regions, las regiones polar, the polar regions are melting. Okay, and that's all, I think. So we have melt, layers, here, layers, label, ink, disposable. Remember, disposable. You are going to see it in the game, so don't worry. Disposable. And that's all. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 words. Okay, so you have here your 5 new words of the week. And with this, we finish. Remember, I'm going to get the lesson ready. It's going to be ready for Thursday morning, so you can do it whenever you want. And I hope you like it. Super Paco. I'll see you next day. Bye bye. Have a wonderful week. Bye bye, my friend.